Hey everyone, good evening. This is Scott McGregor at Scott Trades on Twitter with Crypto Market Mentor and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at IBIT? This is the iShares Bitcoin Trust, and the iShares Bitcoin Trust broke out of a downtrend in mid-April. You can see how it was trending lower and lower and lower, but finally touched the 200-day moving average. The buyers showed up with good volume, and ever since then, it's been in a nice uptrend, back above all the key moving averages. And just today, we see IBIT knocking on heaven's door and close to a breakout here. So I would definitely keep an eye on Bitcoin, keep an eye on crypto stocks, and IBIT here for a potential breakout above 61.05. That's just above today's intraday high. Look for a move above today's intraday high and a follow through to the upside. And if that happens, we're probably going to see the crypto moon boys really start to brag about how they all bought Bitcoin at $3,000. I didn't buy Bitcoin at $3,000, but I've still been able to make good money on it. And I think you could too if this works out with a break above 61.05 here on IBIT. So that's just one of many things we're looking at tonight at Stock Market Mentor and Crypto Market Mentor. If you're interested in learning about digital assets, Bitcoin, Solana, etc., check us out. Click that link at stockmarketmentor.com and hopefully I'll see you on the other side.